Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryssa, and for today's video I'm going to be trying out the new Artist Couture Homechella bundle, and I will be showing you what comes in the bundle as well as sort of recreating Angel's makeup look that he did using the products in the bundle. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you'd like to see what comes in the bundle and how the products work, then just keep on watching. So to start off with the eyes, I'm going to take a concealer, and this is going to be my primer. So I'm just going to add some. I'm going to take an e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush, and I'm going to use this to buff it out. And then once we have the concealer all buffed out on the eyelid, I'm going to take this shadow that I took out from this OFRA palette. I'm going to take a Morphe M441 brush. And then I'm just gonna add some onto the brush, and this is gonna be our crease color. And I'm just using swiping motions, and I'm kind of doing it in sections. So I place it and then I buff it. I am gonna keep the color pretty rounded. So just following the natural shape of my crease. And then now I'm just deepening up that color. So once I have that first shade down, I'm going to take I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just a fluffy blending brush. I'm not adding any product on it. I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges. So now that we have that first shade down, I'm going to take my concealer that I used to prime my eyelids. So I added some concealer to the crease, kind of cutting the crease, but not so precisely. Once we have the concealer added to the crease, I'm going to take this ANASTASIA Beverly Hills single shadow, and this is in the color FAWN. And I'm going to take the same brush that I took for the orange color, the first one we did. And I'm just going to kind of add some of that fawn shade. And this is just going to go on the outer crease. So I'm actually going to take this Smashbox brush. This one is just like a fluffy pencil brush. And I'm going to use that to apply the fawn shade. Take that same fluffy brush that we used to blend out the first color, and I'm just going to do the same thing and blend that out. Now I'm going to be taking the first product of the bundle, and this is the Diamond Lights Finisher in Nebula. It's like a copper color, and it has the purple flecks. I'm actually just going to take some with my finger. When I was watching Angel's story with him using the products, he did mention that the warmth of your finger activates the product, so it's best to use that rather than a brush. So I'm just going to add this. Notice that the more you swipe over it, it kind of intensifies the color. I'm just trying to get as close to the crease as possible with my finger, and then after I'm gonna go in with a small brush just to get closer to those edges. Alright, so to get closer to the crease and the inner corner of the eye, I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild brush. It's just a flat brush, and I'm going to take some of the product. I'm going to use this to get a better a little bit of a cleaner line. Since this product activates off of the warmth of your finger, I'm just going to try and warm my finger up a little bit and see if that actually makes a difference. Okay, so now that my fingers are warm, I'm gonna go in I feel like it kind of did make a difference. I don't know. But if you want to go ahead and try that and see if it makes a difference for you, I feel like it did make a little bit of a difference. But maybe it's just me. So now I'm just taking the same brush that we used to blend out the orange and the brown shade. And I'm just going in with that first shade that we used just to intensify the color a little bit more. I'm just going to swipe off the powder that I have just because it's been sitting there forever. So when Angel did the tutorial on his story using the products from the bundle when he first announced it, I saw that he didn't use this product, and this is the Diamond Glow Powder in Mermaid Fantasy. But since I am showing you all the products in the bundle, I wanted to actually use it. So I'm just going to add it to the center of the eyes just because we already have that shimmer shade. I'm just going to take some of that on my finger and I'm going to swipe that. I'm going to swipe that on the center. So now that I added that Mermaid Fantasy shade on top of Nebula, I'm going to take the third product in the bundle, and this is the Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream. Also in the bundle comes 2 fan brushes, and it's a regular size brush and a mini one. So I'm going to use both of these and test them out and see how they work. So I'm taking the first one. This is the ACO one, and I'm going to take a little bit on the brush. Oh my god, I don't know if you could pick up all the pigment on the camera, but and I'm taking a little fan brush and I'm going to use that to highlight my nose. And then now I'm going to add some to the brow bone. So I'm just going to add some mascara, and this is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit. And that's just going to go on my bottom lash line. Once the mascara dries, I'm going to go in with this nude eyeliner by ColourPop. And this is in the shade Honey Dude, and I'm going to add that to my bottom waterline. So I do have some lash extensions left, so I think I'm just gonna add mascara to them. So I'm back with my mascara on my extensions, and they actually don't look that bad. All right, so the last 2 things in the bundle are the lip products. So it comes with 2 lip products. It comes with a lipstick and a lip gloss. And before I add these, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in Nude. The first lip product I'm going to be using from the bundle is the lipstick, and this is the shade Boy Toy. And then here is how it looks like. The next product I'm going to use is the lip gloss that comes in the bundle, and this is in the shade Climax. And I love this applicator. It's like the perfect applicator for lip gloss. I don't know if you can see how like seamlessly it glides. So that's pretty much it for the video. This was my first time trying Artist Couture, and I'm definitely glad I was able to snatch the bundle before it sold out. This bundle is the first one. I know there was a second one that he came out with after this one sold out. Also, I believe all the products in here are all listed on his website in case you wanted to check them out and weren't able to get a bundle. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.